Hello everyone. In this video, we shall be looking at the change in the definition of small company effective from the 1st of April 2021. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has notified the change of definition of small company in accordance with the change proposed by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman while presenting the Union Budget in February 2021. MCA has amended the company's Specification of Definition Details Rules 2014 with effect from 1st April 2021 to give effect to the change in the definition of small company. With effect from April 1st, 2021, a company other than a public company which is not a holding or subsidiary or a Section 8 company or a company governed by any special act and having its paid up capital not exceeding rupees 2 crores and having turnover for the immediately preceding year not exceeding rupees 20 crores shall be a small company. Therefore, the following would not be a small company with effect from April 1st, 2021. A public unlisted company, a listed company, any holding company, subsidiary company, a Section 8 company, a company governed by any special act, a private company whose paid up capital exceeds rupees 2 crores, a private company whose turnover in the immediately preceding previous year exceeds rupees 20 crores. Prior to April 2021, a company other than a public company which was not a holding or subsidiary or Section 8 company or a company governed by any special act and having its paid up capital not exceeding rupees 50 lakhs and having turnover for the immediately preceding year not exceeding rupees 2 crores was a small company. Various benefits and exemptions are available to a small company. The benefits exemptions for a small company include: a small company needs to hold only 2 board meetings in a calendar year, that is, 1 board meeting in each half of the calendar year with a minimum gap of 90 days between the 2 meetings. In the case of a small company, the annual return can be signed by the company secretary alone, or if there is no company secretary, it can be signed by a single director only. A small company need not include cash flow statement as a part of its financial statements. Proviso of Section 2, subsection 40, which relates to financial statements, states that the small company may not include cash flow statement in their financial statements. Annual return of a small company is an abridged annual report under Section 92 in new form MGT 7A instead of detailed annual report in form MGT 7. In case of a small company, the Companies Act prescribes lesser penalties. Section 139 subsection 2 exempts small company from the mandatory rotation of auditors after a term of 5 consecutive years in case of an individual auditor and 2 consecutive terms of 5 years in case of an audit firm. A small company is also not required to report on CARO in the audit report. Thanks a lot for watching this video.